Hello everyone out in Facebook land. This is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the Automobile Driving Museum in El Segundo, California. We're just south of LAX here, and today we're having their Trifive event. And as of now, we have over 60 Trifives here. And as you can see, as far as the eye can see, you can see Trifives all the way down the street here, and more this way as we walk along. Looks like a great turnout. There's still some cars showing up. A lot of great people here. Come out and say hi to us at Danchuk. We're going to be here with our red 57, and we're handing out catalogs and some discount coupons and stuff like that. The show just started. It started at 10 o'clock and goes till 2 o'clock today. And come along and see a lot of beautiful cars. All kinds of different stuff. There's some good food to eat, some good music to listen to, and a raffle and stuff like that. And just a good time. It's a beautiful day here in Southern California, and it's just what a day to come in and see some beautiful cars. This is basically the courtyard for the museum. Lots of good stuff to look at. Come by and see us at the Danchuk booth and say hello. Again, we're right here at the entrance to the courtyard. We brought our beautiful red 57 along, and we're handing out catalogs, saying hi, and doing interviews and stuff. We've got a few cars across the street, kind of in an overflow, and some non-Trifives that thought they'd just go ahead and join along in the party. So it's a good time had for all. Be sure to stop by and see us at the Chevy Trifive Car Show here at the Automobile Driving Museum in El Segundo, California. Hope to see you.